Welcome back to TechNug. In this video, we are going to count down the top 5 best 3D printers in 2023. But before we start our countdown, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. And make sure to check out the 3D printer links that are given in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra Plus. The Anycubic Cobra Plus is a 3D printer that effortlessly combines large-scale printing capabilities with a wealth of features to empower your creativity. Its massive build volume might be the first thing you notice, but it's the printer's remarkable reliability and ease of use that truly set it apart in a competitive market. At first glance, the Cobra Plus may seem daunting due to its size and weight. However, its intuitive design and lightweight construction make it a breeze to set up and operate. Once assembled, you'll appreciate the seamless integration of features such as auto bed leveling, filament detection, and a user-friendly touchscreen. The Cobra Plus doesn't shy away from delivering high-quality prints, ensuring our projects looked exceptional every time. Its glass print bed did occasionally pose challenges when removing prints, but this minor inconvenience was overshadowed in our experience by the printer's outstanding performance. Despite a few areas that could use refinement, the Anycubic Cobra Plus offers incredible value for its price. This 3D printer is an ideal choice for those who require a large-scale, reliable, and feature-packed machine to bring their creative visions to life. Number 4. Snapmaker J1. Snapmaker is known for its superb 3-in-1 machines, so it's a surprise to see them launch a dedicated 3D printer. No multi-tool head conversion, upgrade, or other tricks that suddenly convert this solid all-metal machine into a CNC or laser engraver. However, this is Snapmaker, so as you can imagine, this is no ordinary 3D printer. Snapmaker has approached their dedicated 3D printer with the same innovation and design style, making them a dominant name in the maker community. The J1, rather than a fixed single or dual material machine, is an IDX 3D printer. This essentially means that it's a dual material machine with almost independent hotends, which speeds up the material swapping and printing process. Snapmaker shot to prominence with their 3-in-1 machines. While the J1 3D printer is a departure from the usual theme, the company has just launched the huge Artisan 3-in-1. It doesn't take long to understand Snapmaker thought process for the J1. Make a dual extrusion 3D printer with the same ease of use as their 3-in-1 machines and make it better than anything else at a similar price. The issue for Snapmaker is that while they have managed this with one of the most impressive looking and reliable machines to date, many other manufacturers are also upping the game. At present, however, the J1 stands alone. It is more expensive than the mainstream but stands out with its fully enclosed case, IDX dual extrusion, ease of use, and stunning design. Essentially, Snapmaker has looked at what people who 3D print want at the mid to top end of the enthusiast going into professional level and designed it. Number 3. Creality Ender 5S1. We've seen Creality release souped-up versions of their existing 3D printers before, and each time we've seen a big performance upgrade. The Ender 5S1 is true to form, and while the basic setup might look much the same as the Ender 5, there's been a complete overhaul of the control board and hotend. The result is an impressive step up in speed and print quality. The price still pits this at the mid-range. However, the quality of the prints is comparable with printers many times more expensive. Creality's S1 machines are the souped-up versions of their standard 3D printers. While the frame and design remain much the same, styled along the Cartesian makeup, the parts that matter, such as the main board and tool head, have all been upgraded. As you check over the machine, you realize that multiple other tweaks have also been made, resulting in this being a very different machine from the standard version. That difference is also reflected in the price tag, with the S1 costing nearly double that of the standard. Once assembled, which is a smooth and easy-to-follow process, you realize that the enhancements that have been made upgrade the Ender 5 from an entry-level machine into something with real potential. The upgraded machine is excellent, but what piques interest is the ability to upgrade the machine further with the inclusion of an optional enclosure and compatibility with the Creality Sonic Pad, available soon. Sonic Pad is essentially a 3D print tablet that upgrades a machine's firmware and operates a visual interface for the machine. The Sonic Pad not only upgrades the user experience but also improves performance. Number 2. MinGa Magician X2. Hobbyists and novices need not spend a lot of money on a capable, feature-rich 3D printer. There's a lot out there that are affordable, including the Elegoo Mars 2 Pro, but the MinGa Magician X2 is a cheap 3D printer that straddles that line between performance and affordability. We found during our tests that there are a lot of standout features here, particularly for beginners. For example, the 16-point auto-leveling quick swap extruder and filament detection and removable P-build platform will all help to make it easy for beginners to use, and we thought the touchscreen LCD was absolutely adept at displaying useful feedback like a hot temperature indicator, adjustments such as easy-to-understand baby step Z-axis tuning, all of which enhance the printing experience. Overall, the printer itself delivers great performance as well, delivering excellent high-quality prints during testing. However, we did feel the print times were slow. While it can hit up to 100mm/s, the recommended print speed is 60mm/s. In comparison, the speedy Bamboo Lab P1P can reach print speeds of up to 500mm/s. Being on the affordable side, there are compromised here like the limited nozzle options and the fine-tuning you do have to make for better print quality. However, you're getting a pretty fantastic deal for how much you're paying here. Number 1. Bamboo Lab P1P. For those looking to take a step up from entry-level 3D printers, the Bamboo Lab P1P offers a customizable and advanced 3D printing experience. The P1P borrows from its larger siblings with 20,000mm/s 2-core XY acceleration, vibration compensation, and pressure advanced technology. The printer also has an automatic bed leveling sensor and a direct drive extruder for better filament control. With a fast setup time, you'll be up and printing quickly, and we found the speed at which the printer works is remarkable. And for those looking for the ultimate in customization, Bamboo Labs provides templates for printing your custom side panels. The P1P allows up to 16 colors through its automatic material system, AMS. Control the printer with an onboard screen or connect with Bamboo slicing software and mobile app. It proved to be slightly restrictive when handling the more advanced materials that need a bit of a heated chamber and hard to customize, and therefore not very adaptable. But overall, this printer has wholly shocked us with its price for features and just how good of a printer this model is. We genuinely think this will disrupt the 3D printing market thanks to its price for abilities. That's all for this video. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.